Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Dialogue's YouTube channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. It's so nice to be here with you today.
Today, we're going to talk about something important, something nobody really likes.
Yeah, going to the doctor.
Yes, the doctor's office. It can be stressful, right? Especially when you have to explain how you feel in English.
Absolutely. When you're sick, it's hard enough, but in a new language, that's even harder.
So today, we'll practice simple phrases to help you talk to a doctor. But first, James, how are you feeling today? You look a little tired.
Oh, you noticed? I am a little tired, actually. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, why not?
I think I'm getting a cold. My throat feels a little scratchy, and my head, it's a little heavy, you know?
A nodding sympathetically, a scratchy throat and a heavy head. I know that feeling. That's how a cold starts.
Yeah, so this topic is perfect for me today. I might need to go to the doctor soon.
Well, let's practice together. So when you go to the doctor, the first thing they ask is,
What seems to be the problem? Or how are you feeling today?
right, simple questions, but you need to explain. So let's start with basic feelings. If you feel sick, you can say, I don't feel well.
Perfect. Simple and clear. I don't feel well, or I'm feeling sick.
What if you have a fever? How do you say that?
You can say, I think I have a fever, or I feel hot. My body is warm.
I feel hot. That's easy. What about pain if something hurts?
You can say, my head hurts, or I have a headache.
My head hurts. I have a headache. Good. Or my stomach hurts. I have a stomachache.
Stomachache. Not fun.
Not fun at all. And if it's your back, my back hurts.
Okay, so the pattern is, my body part hurts. Very simple.
Exactly. Now let's talk about coughs and colds. If you are coughing a lot, you can say, I have a cough.
I have a cough. And if you can't stop sneezing,
Achoo! I keep sneezing, or I have a runny nose.
runny nose. That's when your nose is dripping?
Yes, exactly. Not nice, but we all know it.
Okay, let's practice a full conversation. I'll be the patient, you be the doctor.
Okay. I put on a serious doctor face. Hello, James. Please have a seat. What brings you in today?
Hi, doctor. I don't feel well. I think I'm getting a cold.
I see. What are your symptoms?
My symptoms? Oh, that means how I feel.
Yes, exactly. Symptoms are the things wrong with your body.
Okay, my throat hurts, it feels scratchy, and my head hurts too.
Do you have a fever? Have you checked your temperature?
I don't think so. I feel a little warm, but not too hot.
Any cough?
A little cough, not too much.
Okay. And how long have you felt this way?
Since last night. Maybe 2 days?
Good. That's very clear. Now let me check your temperature. James, how did I do?
You did great. Very clear. You said your throat hurts, your head hurts, you feel warm and a little cough. Perfect.
Thank you. It feels easier when we practice.
It does. Now, what about something more serious, like if you have pain here?
Oh, that's scary. Chest pain. You should always tell the doctor if you have chest pain.
Yes, you can say, I have pain in my chest, or my chest hurts.
What about allergies? Many people have allergies.
Good point. You can say, I have allergies, or my eyes are itchy. I keep sneezing because of allergies.
My eyes are itchy. I hate that feeling.
Me too. Okay, let's talk about medicine. After the doctor checks you, they might give you a prescription.
A prescription. That's a paper for medicine, right?
Yes, and they might say, take this medicine twice a day, or take 1 pill in the morning and 1 at night.
Twice a day. That means 2 times, morning and night.
Right, and they might say, drink lots of water and get some rest.
The best advice, rest and water.
Always. Now, do you have a funny doctor story, James?
James thinks, then laughs. Oh, I have one. From my first year in the US, I went to the doctor because my ear hurt.
Ear pain, not fun.
No. So I sat down. The doctor asked, what's wrong? I wanted to say I have an earache, but I forgot the word earache.
Oh no, what did you say?
I pointed to my ear and said, inside my ear, it hurts, like boom, 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 makes a drumming motion.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yes, the doctor looked at me for a second, then he smiled. He said, an earache? I said, yes, earache.
That's hilarious. But you communicated. He understood.
He did. He checked my ear, he gave me medicine, and I learned the word earache forever.
See? You made a mistake, but you still got help. That's the important thing.
Exactly. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is to explain so someone can help you. So let's review some key phrases.
If you feel sick, I don't feel well.
If something hurts, my body part hurts, or I have a body part ache.
Headache, stomach ache, earache, toothache.
If you have a fever, I feel hot. I think I have a fever.
If you have a cold, I have a cough. I have a runny nose. I keep sneezing.
And always tell the doctor, since when? Since yesterday? Since 2 days?
And at the end, thank you, doctor.
Always polite. So for everyone watching, don't be scared. Doctors are there to help. They ask simple questions. You can give simple answers.
And if you forget a word, you can point. You can use your hands. You can say here and touch where it hurts.
That works perfectly. So we hope you feel more confident now.
Stay healthy, everyone. Drink water, rest well.
And if you get sick, you know what to say.
Thanks for practicing with us. See you next time.
Bye-bye.